My travel game needed a major upgrade, so I bought this. Okay, so it is a leather toiletry bag from a company called Rustic. I love it because nothing is worse than when I pack everything and then it spills or I can't really find it and I'm just throwing it in, a standard bag. But this, guys, it is adorable. I love it. I showed my husband and he was like, can you get me one of those too? It has so many different ways to store, but I loved this double zipper. Look at that. But once again, look at the depth of this. It is absolutely perfect for all of my travel size body washes. I can put each one of those in there and I don't have to worry about them spilling because I can actually set them upright. And then I can stack my lotions on top of each other. And then I even got my cute little travel shampoo and conditioners. And then of course my travel body sprays. Guys, I just put so many different items in here and there's still so much room left for more stuff. The other really neat thing is that inside there's actually a slot that I can go ahead and zip and unzip, as well as one on the outside to put all of my hair bands and bobby pins and things like that in there too. Guys, Rustic has just nailed it. I love this bag. The quality, impeccable. The price point, amazing. And it just, I don't know, it just looks and feels of such a great quality. Once again, it's leather. So step up your travel game. This is a toiletry bag. And both men and women can use this. And like I said, my husband was like, get me one of those too. Guys, check it out right now. You're going to love it. I love it. What are you waiting for?